Today I want to spotlight Marshall County and explore why it remains a solid and resilient land market. Hello again, Pat Lentz here, Central Iowa Land Specialist with High Point Land Company. With the summer heat and humidity setting in, crops are flourishing across the region. While the grain markets continue on their downward slide, the livestock sector is showing consistent strength. This county boasts a well mix of crop and pasture land. In 2024, Marshall County recorded an average land sale price of $11,919 per acre, which translates to roughly $145 per CSR 2 point. Despite this strength, we've seen very few sales in the county recently, and only a handful of farms are currently on the market. When farms do become available, they tend to draw strong buyer interest and move quickly. Looking ahead, there's potential for increased land availability later this year. I believe this moment represents a unique window of opportunity for sellers. Strong buyer demand, coupled with limited inventory, creates favorable conditions for achieving top-of-the-market pricing. If you've been considering a sale or are simply curious about what your land might be worth in today's market, I'd welcome the chance to have a confidential, no-obligation conversation with you. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to reach out with any questions or to talk through your goals. Thank you.